Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make muffin liners with parchment paper. First, gather your essential materials: parchment paper, a pair of sharp scissors, and a round object like a drinking glass or a cookie cutter. These simple items are all you need to begin crafting perfect, custom-sized liners for your baking adventures. Make sure your parchment is oven-safe. Now, let's get cutting. Place your round object onto the parchment paper and trace around it to create a perfect circle. Aim for a diameter of about 5 to 6 inches, which works well for standard muffin tins. Once traced, carefully cut out each circle. Don't worry if they're not absolutely perfect. Handmade adds charm. With your circles cut, it's time to shape them into liners. Take one parchment circle and center it over the bottom of a glass or a small jar. Gently press the paper down around the sides of the glass, creating creases that will form the liner's walls. This simple technique helps the paper hold its shape beautifully. Your custom parchment liners are now ready for action. Carefully place each formed liner into the cups of your muffin tin. They should fit snugly, creating a perfect barrier for your baked goods. Fill them with your favorite muffin or cupcake batter and bake as you normally would. Enjoy your easy-release homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.